Top 10 budget-friendly foods for bodybuilding. Number 1. Eggs, a great source of high-quality protein and healthy fats. Number 2. Chicken breast, lean protein that is affordable and versatile for various dishes. Number 3. Canned tuna, another cost-effective protein source with omega-3 fatty acids. Number 4. Cottage cheese, high in protein and low in fat, suitable for snacks or meals. Number 5. Oats, complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy for workouts. Number 6. Brown rice, a cheap carbohydrate source to complement your meals. Number 7. Beans and lentils, budget-friendly plant-based protein and fiber. Number 8. Peanut butter, affordable and calorie-dense with healthy fats and protein. Number 9. Greek yogurt, protein-rich and can be used in smoothies or as a snack. Number 10. Bananas, inexpensive fruits that offer potassium and quick energy.